Hey guys, it's Eduardo Lorda here again. So this just came in today from FedEx. This is actually the, here it is, if you can see it, all the WeatherTech all-weather mat for the trunk. So what we found was winter is coming. Summer is almost over. So, and we actually just had a new baby and we're using the stroller a lot. So, you know, the stroller, the wheels go everywhere. It's all dusty and stuff. So we're like, you know what? Let's just get a all-weather mat. So Hyundai, I talked to my dealership. They don't have it yet. I don't know why. Apparently everything is on back order and there's nothing in stock. So what we've actually been using is these mats from my old Honda Civic. So just to cover up the back, it still gets really dirty and stuff. So, but anyways, we finally decided to bite the bullet and get a WeatherTech all-weather mat for the trunk. So it's a trunk liner. And so yeah, maybe I'll do a quick review and an unboxing video just to show you guys what it is. It's about 5 pounds. This was total 184 Canadian or 140 American. So it's not too bad. It's not the cheapest, but it's not the most expensive, I'll tell you that. Okay, so also it's super hazy outside right now, so that's why I'm doing it in my garage. If not, I would do it in a parking lot, but super hazy. Lots of forest fires going on. Okay, so I get some sort of receipts from WeatherTech, and as you can see, it's just all rolled up inside. So the whole thing, that's really it. There's not much unboxing to be shown. Okay, it looks pretty new. So it's just, there's no plastic thing, it's just this liner. Okay, then it's pretty damn expensive for 184, but hopefully it fits well. So it's just all rolled up right now, like this. Gotta unroll it. Okay, nice and big. You got your WeatherTech label here. It says made in the USA, weathertech.com, with a toll-free number for you to call for some reason. Okay, so let's try it in. Obviously this is a selfie camera right now, so I'll put it in first and then I'll show you guys how it fits. And yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, so that was easy. You just plop it in. There's no holes for any of those knobs for you to do. Yeah, I'll show you guys. I'll stop the video now, but I'll show you guys. That was easy, just plop it in. Hey guys, so since I am in my garage, it's a little dark, so I did put a lantern there so you guys can see. As you can see, the fit is pretty good. Like, it's there. Like, it's right up to the bumper. Obviously, this is still kind of, I don't know, because it's probably bent still. So it was fresh off the box, right? So this is still coming up, but I think if you put weight on it, it'll probably stay there after a while. So you got it fits pretty well, like they said, like they advertised, like laser cut, like sure. None of the holes are covered, as you can see. Over here as well, so nothing is covered. You do have a little hard time getting access underneath, but I mean, you can just pull up like that, right? Okay, so this is the WeatherTech symbol I said. So it's a nice little hard plastic. It's these like crevices thingy. I think WeatherTech sells different stands or blocks that you can kind of block off a certain way of your trunk so things don't slide around. I didn't buy that because I was like, oh, screw that. I just wanted something to protect the mat from the weather, snow or rain. Obviously it gets a little dirty there. So there has been talk about the back, how it buckles if you recline. So right now this is on, I think, just default forward and backwards. I think it's furthest it can be, and then just a little bit reclined. As you can see, it's a little bit reclined right here. It's not too far off from the default, but I mean, sure, if you recline more, it will buckle more, but it's a bendable plastic, so I mean, it might ruin the shape later, but it's not too bad right now. As you can see, it's a little stressed, but it's not too stressed. As you can see on this side, this is where the baby car seat is actually. So right there, the baby car seat. So it's not too bad. It's actually pretty straight up there. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with this. Let's see how it fares with actual weather, and we'll see how clean it gets, how easy it is to clean. Maybe later down the road I'll do a real review. We're having a little drought here right now, so there isn't much rain, but it is supposed to rain this weekend, so we'll let you guys know. Some people did comment on the smell previously. I don't smell anything that's super off right now. Like, it's not like a strong scent that... Let me smell it. Yeah, I don't smell anything from where I am. I'm probably 1 feet away from this mat. I can put my head right up against it, and it just smells, it's like a hard plastic smell, but it's not too overbearing. So again, thanks for watching, guys. This was the unboxing video of the trunk liner for the Ioniq 5 Hyundai from WeatherTech. This was 184 Canadian or 140 American. Shipping was through FedEx, and it came within a week of ordering. So if you have any questions, put it in the comments. I'll try to answer as best as I can. And